Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will understand the real meaning of price action without indicators, just by observing the movement of price and the behavior of candles, what signals the market is giving us. This is exactly what price action tells us. Alright, the story of the market is written through the candles. We just need to learn how to read it properly. So let's get started and see how price action can turn a simple chart into a clear picture. Let's start the video. As you can see on the chart, the market was in a strong uptrend, but from there, it started moving down. However, from this point, I can see a reversal, indicating that the market might go up again, at least for the short term. Because the price is touching a previous support area from where the market had reversed before as well. At this zone, the market is pausing and forming small wicks. Here, we have a chance that a reversal could happen from this point, and since consecutive red candles have formed here, it means the market has entered an oversold condition. The price was continuously forming several red candles, so the market was already oversold. So, we observed the oversold condition and the support and saw high probability chances here. I also noticed a rejection candle at this point, which formed right at the bottom of the downtrend. There is a long lower wick below, indicating that the price had dropped, but buyers gave a strong push back. The candle body closed higher, meaning sellers pushed the price down, but buyers rejected them. Based on all these factors, I placed my trade here, and our trade has turned out to be profitable. We have booked a good amount of profit here. Alright, so if you want to make this kind of profit, you first need to understand things, you need to learn, and only after that can you start earning. Now, let me open my second chart. I have opened the CDJPY OTC chart here, and I can see a strong downtrend, but I am seeing a short-term reversal here. So, I have placed 3 buy trades here, and I have taken all buy trades. In this chart, prices were continuously falling, but in the last few candles, the downward movement slowed down and the candles started getting smaller. Sellers started to weaken here, and we can also see a support zone and a double rejection, as you can see. The price stopped near a support area and 2 or 3 candles formed rejection wicks at the same level. This shows that buyers are defending at the lower level and the market is unable to break down further. Okay, and here I saw a green candle confirmation. A small green candle formed at the support zone, then another green candle appeared, confirming that buyers have become active and the market is about to give a short-term pullback. Alright, so overall we saw the support, noticed the wick rejection, and got a green confirmation. Based on all this, I placed my trade here and our trade has been profitable. So at this point, we will place our second trade. Here I have opened the EUR USD OTC chart and placed 2 down trades. And let me explain why I took the down trade here. Let's understand this. Here you can see that the strong bullish move has started to weaken. There was a strong green movement, but as it reached the top, the candles became small. I noticed that the buyer's pressure was weakening here and the previous resistance zone was also hit. The price stopped exactly at the point where the market had reversed before, so this is our resistance. Here sellers become active and I also saw a rejection candle at this point. A red candle formed with a long wick on top. This means buyers pushed the price up but sellers pushed it back down. We can clearly see rejection here, and we also got a structure break confirmation at this point. The red candle broke the low of the previous green candle. This confirmed that the momentum is now shifting to the sell side. And based on this, we took a trade here, and our trade turned out to be profitable. I hope you are understanding the concept. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments, okay? And here, I will again place one more sell trade because I see a strong downtrend here. So I have placed 2 trades for the downside here. As I told you, the candles on the chart are clearly showing a downtrend. The price peak is visibly coming down. So this movement typically shows the strength of the sellers. And here, we can see a break in structure, meaning that at the level where we took the trade, around 1.1558, the price had already broken one support level, which confirms that the market can go further down. Alright, and here the strong bearish candle gave us further confirmation. The last candle here is a strong red one, which shows the momentum is down. During momentum, taking a down entry is logical. Okay, so based on all these factors, I place my trade again for a down position. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand which one it is. If you have any doubts, you can send them in the comments. Okay, so our trade has been won here and we've booked a pretty good profit. Okay, so here we'll change our amount to 4 and take one more entry. Alright, this will be our last trade. At the end of this video, again a downtrend was visible here, right? And from here we saw a short pullback, so I took a trade here for the continuation of the downtrend, because after one pullback the market can continue in that trend, right? That's why I placed two trades here. And during the pullback, the green candle that formed was a bit small and had more wick, which means the buyers are weak and the trend is not reversing here. Our trend will continue here. Okay, so let's wait a bit and see what result we get here. And you should always keep in mind that whenever any trend is going on, whether it's a downtrend or an uptrend, taking a trade against the trend can be very risky, okay? Only if you see the chances of a reversal, which I explained to you in the previous video. If you take trades after identifying those, then that could be your winning trade. But it's very risky if you keep placing trades here without any knowledge, okay? So you need to place your trades mindfully, okay? Here, our trade has won and we've booked a pretty good profit here. And guys, if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. You can go there and join. Alright? So this was today's complete breakdown and price action trading. I hope the concept is clear to you and that looking at the chart in a clean way felt a bit easier. If you found the video helpful, please like it and comment to let me know which topic you want the next video on. And yes, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, because here we understand trading in simple language with practical examples. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep learning.